National Super Alliance leader Raila Odinga led a section of opposition leaders to condole with their family and relatives of the late Kitui West Member of Parliament Francis Nyenze. And Raila said that Nyenze's death was a big blow to NASA's fraternity and the people of Kitui. Nyenze died on Wednesday this week while receiving treatment at the Nairobi hospital, where he had died, or rather where he was admitted at the hospital's intensive care unit. Nyenze served as a minority leader in the National Assembly in the 11th Parliament. He was first to be elected in Parliament in 1997 and was immediately appointed Minister for Environment and Natural Resources by retired President Daniel Arap Moi. Nyenze will be buried on 19th of December.
The passing on of Francis Nyenze is a big blow to the NASA fraternity. As you know, that Nyenze was one of our key pillars, who had been our minority leader in the House in the last Parliament. As a minority leader, performed his duties very diligently and united our members in Parliament. He was ailing, and he has been able to live with this disease of cancer for 10 years. He has borne it very bravely, and it was never a secret. He would just tell you what he was suffering from. And in spite of that, he was able to continue doing his duty until the last moment. Some of you will remember that he went to Parliament with an oxygen kit to swear to take oath in order to serve these people. The people of Kitui West have lost a great leader, and all of us, so we condole with the family. We have been told that the burial will be on the 19th of this month, that is the other Tuesday week.